Kia ora! Welcome to the fourth lesson in tenses. Today we're going to learn another kind of past tense. To form this tense, we start the sentence with kua. How we form the rest of the sentence is the same as when we use I, meaning the sentence starts with kua. Immediately after, we put the verb. Then, finally, the pronoun to show who has done the action. The translation is like using have or has in English. Kua kōrero o. I have spoken. Kua kōrero koe. You have spoken. Kua kōrero ia. He or she has spoken. Notice that the verb does not change, no matter who has done the action. We can change the verb to change the action itself. Oma means run. Kua oma o. I have run. Kua oma koe. You have run. Kua oma ia. He or she has run. At the end of these sentences, instead of using a pronoun, we can use the name of a specific person. If we want to do this, we have to put a before the name. For example, Kua kōrero a Maria. Maria has spoken. Kua oma a Rewi. Rewi has run. Let's practice using people's names and also learning some new verbs. Horoi means clean. Kua horoi a Maria. Maria has cleaned. Kua horoi a Rewi. Rewi has cleaned. How would you say Anna has cleaned? Kua horoi a Anna. Mahi means work. How would you say Maria has worked? Kua mahi a Maria. Inu means drink. How do you say Rewi has drunk? Kua inu a Rewi. Finally, we can create questions with a simple change in inflection. Kua kōrero a Maria? Has Maria spoken? Kua oma a Rewi? Has Rewi run? How would you ask, has Anna worked? Kua mahi a Anna? And how would you ask, has Rewi cleaned? Kua horoi a Rewi? There you have it. Now you know another kind of past tense in Māori. Ka kite.